Hey there, awesome 8th grade science students. This is Mrs. Geis again, and we're going to go ahead and call this part 2 of the unit review because I am limited to 5 minutes. So we left off, I believe, on number 10, or I'm sorry, number 11, in your unit review on page 21 for ecosystems. So, number 11, it is a common sense relationship between predators and prey. As the predator population rises, the prey is going to decrease, right? As the prey population decreases, your predators are going to decrease. So it's pretty common sense when you think about it. Predators are only as good as the prey, that they need the prey for their energy. All right, so number 12, as resources dwindle or decrease or go down, what might increase? That's probably going to be competition amongst species. They might be the same species or different species if they're competing for the same food. Number 13, describe how two species of the same niche or niche are unable to coexist. Well, if they share the same role and share the same resources, they are not going to be able to live harmoniously together. So, number 14 lists 3 things that cycle through ecosystems. Well, there are many things that cycle through ecosystems. Just a few would be carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, water, food. Many things are cycled through ecosystems. Number 15, if you turn the page to page 22, okay, what happens to the biomass in an ecological pyramid with each successive level? Well, biomass we know is the amount of living or organic material or organic living organisms in an area. And we know that that takes up the largest portion at the bottom. The producers um, are the producers at the bottom of the energy pyramid. As we go up each successive level, the biomass is going to decrease. Okay, number 16. What is the original source of energy for all life on Earth? You should know that is the sun or sunlight. Number 17. What type of organism is found at the beginning of the food chain or bottom of the energy pyramid? That would be producers, plants, autotrophs. All right, I'm going to give you a scenario with number 18 here. A snake eats a frog that has eaten an insect that has eaten grass. Describe the role of each organism. So the grass would be the producer, the insect would be the primary consumer, and the frog and snake would be the secondary consumers. What 2 things can autotrophs use to acquire energy? In number 19, that would be sunlight and chemicals. Number 20, the greatest amount of biomass is found in which part of the energy pyramid? The bottom. Why? Because those are the producers. They get all of their energy from the sun. All right, and the written assignment, I asked you at the middle of, or the bottom part of page 22, I want you to think about the important relationship that we have talked about living, between living organisms, between animals or humans and plants. We know that plants take in sunlight. They also use water and take in carbon dioxide to produce glucose, right? To make their own food. They're autotrophs. This process is called photosynthesis, and one of the byproducts of that is oxygen. Animals and humans take in oxygen. We need oxygen, right, to live. We take in that oxygen, and through cellular respiration, which happens in our mitochondria, we take in food energy, and through cellular respiration, convert it into ATP, which is our usable energy. So basically, I want you to write about the relationship that plants and organisms have, right? Plants give us oxygen. We need oxygen. We need, we give off carbon dioxide. Plants give off carbon dioxide. It's a wonderful, important symbiotic relationship. Thank you so much for listening. I hope that you've gotten your notes completed on page 21 and 22. So you'll be ready for our test on Thursday. Take care.